I always had a passion for environmental science. Honestly, I just hope to make a more physical change just for like the general good. I want to be able to actually go to places and help them kind of see, hey, here's this important resource, here's what we can do with it, let's make this better, let's make a difference.
So I think all of the students in the environmental science and management program, we all kind of focus on wanting to, improve the world for future generations. I am from Pittsburgh originally, and I was really looking for a master's program that I could be close to home. And I really liked the high-level research that's done here, at a smaller school where there's a lot of individualized attention, and like I said, getting to stay close to my family.
My professors have helped me in so many ways, especially Dr. Kaler. And he has encouraged me to do research with him. So the research projects that I'm working on, we're doing a wind feasibility study. We set up a weather station on the roof of Mellon. I am taking LiDAR scans of Pittsburgh, and I'm piecing them together to make a 3D model of campus. And we are using that data that we're collecting up on the roof, like that actual real-life data of campus, and putting it into a simulation to simulate where would be the best place to put a wind turbine station on campus. So we could put it there and hopefully generate some energy.
The professors here are wonderfully supportive, and they want you to learn and they want you to succeed. All of my research is looking at water resources, particularly water quantity in the Limpopo Basin of South Africa. And my work all uses satellite data, doing remote sensing to try to detect land subsidence from excessive groundwater extraction, and then looking at some water management and sort of providing some guidance to the people there to help them better manage their water as it relates to groundwater extraction. My research with Dr. Kaler has given me all of the abilities to do that and all of the support, whether it be software or moral support. I had the opportunity to attend the American Geophysical Union conference this past year to be able to present my research and network, and Duquesne funded that through the Women in STEM grant. So yeah, I've had a lot of opportunities here because of what Duquesne has offered me.
The job that I'd like to have would hopefully be water quality management or just environmental science management. So hopefully that's what I can see myself doing, is just traveling around, going to different places and really just getting involved. Whether that's water specialist or park ranger that does field tests in Zion National Park. I think it'd be very neat.
I think that Duquesne has prepared me, and I've been really impressed with the university and how much of a fulfilling experience I feel like this has been. It feels very inclusive here. I like that it's in the city, so there's a lot of things to do, but it is a smaller campus and it has a lot of individualized attention, which I appreciate. And I thought that there were just things that the college had to offer that other places don't.